Pranayama for beginners. Hello and welcome to the lindyyoga.com podcast. To perform pranayama yoga, the practitioner must concentrate on breathing. They should practice the breathing technique in a room with fresh air. Some types of pranayama involve rapid abdominal contractions, which are not recommended for people with heart disease, breathing disorders and asthma. Pranayama is an important part of yoga and has many benefits for the body and mind. It improves mental clarity and can reduce stress and anxiety. It also strengthens the connection between mind and body. There are many different types of pranayama, including alternate breathing, fast breathing and slow breathing. Each form focuses on different aspects of breathing, and each is beneficial in different ways. In addition to the physical benefits, pranayama can improve lung function and strengthen breathing muscles. It can help people suffering from asthma and pneumonia to improve their breathing. Some people even find that pranayama helps them quit smoking. The technique can help them reduce cravings and become more mindful. It can also help people who suffer from chronic diseases such as diabetes. People who practice pranayama can benefit from better sleep. Those who practice it before bed experience fewer snoring attacks. It can also help people with obstructive sleep apnea. It may also make them less sleepy during the day. Pranayama not only increases mental clarity and energy, but can also help people who suffer from depression. It stimulates the right hemisphere of the brain, which controls the energy level of the body. You get the best results if you practice it twice a day. You can practice pranayama anywhere. Just make sure you have a comfortable seat. Remember to keep your back and heart open and maintain a relaxed posture. Pranayama is an effective way to calm the mind and improve your concentration. It is a great way to reduce stress, improve memory, and increase alertness. Besides nasal breathing, pranayama also helps to relax the body and calm the mind. You can practice it regularly or for just a few minutes a day. Many advanced pranayama breathing techniques involve blocking one nostril. These exercises help the energy in your body to circulate more efficiently. These techniques help you to concentrate, reduce anxiety, and burn more calories than you would otherwise. Such an exercise is an excellent warm-up technique for yoga and other activities. Best time of day for pranayama yoga breathing. The best time to practice pranayama is early in the morning. This is the time when your body has had the most time to digest and is at its most restful. Also, most people have not yet started their day at this time, so you will be less distracted and your energy level will be at its highest. Before practicing pranayama, it is best to do a few warm-up exercises. For example, breathe in deeply and slowly and exhale fully. Make sure you relax the muscles of your chest and shoulders before you start the exercise. Next, practice pranayama by focusing on the third eye. Pranayama is an essential part of the yoga practice. Although there are no strict rules about the best time to practice, morning is generally considered the best time. Practice some breathing exercises, such as mudras, in the hours before sunrise. The sun is at its most favorable during these hours, making it ideal for pranayama. Although pranayama can be practiced at any time of the day, you must ensure that you practice regularly. Pranayama should be done in a well-ventilated room that is free from distractions. It is also important to choose a position that does not obstruct breathing. The Hatha Yoga Pradipika recommends the lotus, thunderbolt or auspicious pose as a good choice for pranayama practice. While sitting in the lotus pose, you should keep your spine erect and straight. You can place a firm cushion under your lower back to support it. Read the full article on www.lindyyoga.com and discover pranayama for beginners, learn about the practice and how to start. With how-to videos. Just click the link below the video.